Nande Kalo di Anso.
Yotranya.
Nande Kalo di Anso.
Yotranya.
Donald Trump.
Matano senye maka.
Donald Trump.
Matano senye maka.
Asoroko.
Uroko.
Asoroko.
Uroko.
Seiti Nibu.
Zike nandokwa.
Natasha.
Zike nandokwa.
Eso Wike.
Zike nandokwa.
Eso Wike.
Zike nandokwa.
Tinubu lo nwe ya.
Zike nandokwa.
Tinubu lo nwe ya.
Zike nandokwa.
Alaeze oti.
Matano senye maka.
Ka mkpụrụ ubi niile nwụrụ anwụ maka Biafra.
Sinebere nke eju ka ha zike nandokwa.
Ka ha zi ike na ndokwa.
Amen.
N'afa Nna.
Na wana monso. Amen.
Hold your peace, Nigerians. Look at this bingo, calling others bingo. Udele. Udele. Why are you running helter-skelter? Udele, why are you afraid? On hearing Angel Makeup and Gentle D who is still alive. Have you forgotten? Mid last year you made a post stating Angel Makeup and Gentle D who is dead. Were you not the one that made the post? You are in the best position to explain to Nigerians what actually happened to those guys. You are in the best position to tell us what transpired between Angel Makeup and Gentle D. If peradventure Angel Makeup and Gentle D. is spotted anywhere around Imo State or Okigwe, as you rightly mentioned, Udele, you are in the best position to tell us what happened, because we knew you foiled their fall last year. You foiled it. Today you are asking unnecessary questions. You are asking your ancestors to know the origin of the news that says Angel Makeup and Gentle D was spied by Nigeria soldier last day. Udele, you shame, they shame me. Your days are numbered. As many of you that is ganging up against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you will fall for his sake. Yes, you will go down 6 feet for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's sake. Yes, Udele, stop being afraid. Go back to your father's house, Imo State. Angel Makeup and Gentle D is dead, and they remain dead men. That is just the truth. Anywhere you spot them around Imo State, they are nothing but ghosts. Why must a living be afraid of a ghost? You shouldn't be afraid of a ghost. Yes, don't be afraid of a ghost, because Angel Makeup and Gentle D is dead, and that is final. Stop being afraid. Go back to your father's house. Like I said earlier, a clear conscience fears no accusation. Why are you afraid? You made a post, you celebrated it mid last year when Nigeria soldiers captured them and tied them at the spot. You celebrated it. Today, you bingo is on social media ranting, crying that you need to know the source. That people that spread the news need to be arrested. You are the prime suspect with delay, because you posted the video countless time on your page that Angel Makeup and Gentle D was captured by Nigeria soldier last year. They say you are crying. You've not started crying. Yes, you've not started crying. This period, you are going to well blood. As many of you that ganged up against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you almost fall for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case. Thank you so much. I remain your boy, Nelly Boy. He who laugh last, laugh the best. On the 27th of this month is the date scheduled for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case to be revisited. God bless us. Please don't keep to yourself. Share for others to see it. Repost, and God will bless you.
Igbo mụrụ ekenekwa m n'ebe ndị ọma njem asịsị na Ijele na-agba ọsọ asị na ndị nwe okwu na-asị that the wicked runs when no one is pursuing them. I think ọ dị na Bible. Ijele nke ji Udele wee mara asị na ọ na-agbazi ọsọ. Kedu ihe na-ese okwu? That na kemgbe Gentle D pụta, Angel Makeup pụta wee kwuo okwu, Ijele has been running her scatter shelter or helter-skelter ka na-akpụ ya. And to crown it all, he went to an Igbo investigation with Akia. Also, an Igbo investigation by himself. I'm not the outcome of the investigation or judgment. Man, the truth is, ofu onye si ele ora ya ilichanwu, mana mgbe ora si ile ofu onye, ọ ya adịra very difficult ilichanwu nyo hasi. O nwere ihe ndị one of the things a na-eme that if you make yourself if you make yourself onye ndị obodo jụrụ ajụ, definitely o nwere ihe si gị n'aka na agbụrụ gị ndị mmadụ ya eme accept again. Imelu onwe gị public ihe ndị mmadụ jụrụ ajụ o onye ilo ndị ihe ndị mmadụ, o nwere ihe ọzọ email and from your lineage people will trust again. The reason why je kwule ha ọ bụrụ na China, somebody like Udele, government or people involved ka ijide gị ya gbuo ya, because I believe in everything in a lineage apata we behave the same way we say behave. Notago Ijele nwe kusi ekwu okwu, enwere ihe abi n'anya for ka ihe na-ebute, you withdraw yourself from that thing. n'ọlụ onwe gị. Ọ bụrụ na ị n'ọlụ onwe gị does not mean na ị mara ihe ị na-eme. Ọ bụrụ mmadụ niile, ka m gwa gị the truth, ọ bụrụ mmadụ niile nọ na Igbo I believe in the vision of Biafra. Ọ bụrụ mmadụ niile. And ọ bụrụ mmadụ nọ na Nigeria believe in the vision of Nigeria. Enwere ndị nwe their own personal opinion. That is exactly who we are as human beings. Anyị na-enwe personal opinion to something. Man, the reason why we align together and become brothers and sisters, even in our disagreement, is because if you wear your opinion for no you put a public displeasure or public chaos, you keep it to yourself. Flow in with what the public are talking about. Man, deep down within you, for example, and when do so many people today, and when they will not whether na hana ejoka kona hana ejoka mana we deep down in their heart and in their family hama hana ejoka mana due to olo, due to ego, or due to ihafo yeli, or due to imogo the circumstance surrounding ebehano, they will decide to blend in with you. They will decide to blend in with you. Mana deep down in their heart and in their mind hama haneme. There are thousands of people like that. Mgbe nkwu ngwalo no so na enweghị ebe nje na Abuja one certain time ya na agwa gị n'elugo years ago. Mgbe aka njiwe ma na there are people in this country nara azụ ahịa n'Ifia ka ndị ọzọ si azụ. I repeat, there are people in this country nara azụ ahịa n'Ifia ka ndị ọzọ si azụ. Their modus operandi start at night. That was what drew me back to the Bible verse that said the rulers and prince of darkness when they bona all her and their jurisdictions, that's when there is darkness. I saw it with my own clear eye. This thing in Abuja is that that there is a power being somewhere that supersedes the affairs of men. No, they are not on their jaw. They are not entirely bad. They are not entirely wicked. Man, they believe that in that time, but night and then we take a quietness, go the flow, move around, go make their things. By this time, I na roller and be preparing for meeting by 8 p.m., 9 p.m. Work take meeting of business deals. Business deal, last sign. Papers, contracts. This is a massive contract assign. That you assign just some contract. You wake up in the morning, you phone a bag of rice, a bag go from 10,000, bag of 20,000. Bag of beans is go from 50,000, bag to 30,000. Those deals are being signed at night and when I have been there. So mother now go out of experience again. And you will infuse this thing in Ijele na amazing. Ijele which is the one about also here today. And Jamaica apatagondos these are the people ginande nkangwela afọ no white bia these are the people who kajolo sesi men kama na ozo gbasi kwa na you people started blaming Tinubu, blaming Hope Uzo dem ma kita no na to go na Jamaica pa na alolo government olo mana before you people said na ha na alolo mazen Nnamdi Kanu. Why are now people now switching the attention from your original encounter to Ihono for today? So be connected in the chat video. Kabaro subscribe and don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section. God one.